there was a senior cricketer who just randomly came to you and said that let's go to the car.
I can't say that on camera, it's that bad. He wanted a nude photo of me.
What was your reaction? Did you ignore or you just said
I was
something?
just taken up.
Was Sanjay Bangar proud of you?
I wouldn't like to talk about it.
When you say that I still want to be in good books by not calling out people, do you think you are doing wrong? This time se hi Aryan was sort of going into depression because of all the things happening around him.
I would say that Aryan was always depressed.
Do you live with your parents
Yes.
now?
Yeah.
Here? God created two gender, a man and a woman. Anaya is possessed. How do you take trolling? जब लोग troll करते हैं, I've seen your comment section.
Yeah.
Men's team में chance नहीं मिला तो लड़की बन गए.
मैं अगर transition नहीं करती तो wouldn't it have been easier for me to play?
लोग शायद बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं ये सब चीज़ का. हिजड़ा बोल देते हैं, छक्का बोल देते हैं, कुछ भी टर्म करते हैं.
जो भी हम चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं वो सब वैलिड है और वो उनके लिए भी जगह होनी चाहिए.
अभी फिलहाल जो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम है उसमें से who's your favorite player?
जैसे विराट कोहली, अभिषेक शर्मा, जायसवाल.
Your favorite is विराट कोहली.
Yeah.
कभी मिले हो आप उनसे?
Yeah, I have met him multiple amount of times. I've trained with him.
Wow.
With me, my dad and him.
देखिए मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ कर लिए अभी तक, but this particular interview is something which is special. It is related to cricket. It is related to curiosity. शायद इस इंटरव्यू के बाद मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें as a human being जानने का मौका मिलने वाला है. And as I said, it is special. It is definitely special because we have Anaya Bangar with us at Filmygyan. We all know that she's the most courageous person I've come across at such a young age to just एक ऐसा decision ले लेना अपने निजी ज़िंदगी में जिससे आपको पता है कि कई लोग अफेक्ट होंगे, कई लोग आप पे उंगली उठाएंगे, कई लोग बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, बट खुद की खुशी, खुद के प्यार के लिए वो डिसीजन लेना इज़ द मोस्ट करेजियस थिंग फॉर मी एंड फॉर मैनी पीपल आउट देयर. अनाया, मैं आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Thank you so much for having me.
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं, क्या फीलिंग चल रही है? यू आर बैक हियर इन इंडिया.
I mean, it's been very different because I left India as a boy and now I'm back as a girl. So I'm experiencing this world completely in a different way now.
So it is, मतलब अनाया मैं अगर बात करूँ तो हम आज बात करेंगे आर्यन से लेके अनाया तक की जर्नी के बारे में. So it is going to be special. Do you get nervous while giving interviews? मतलब नया नया ही है I guess.
Yeah, it is like quite new for me because I'm not used to this, and of course like I have so many eyes on me, so there's a little bit of nervousness, but again like it's all fine like at the end of it.
Yeah, the fact that you came out so courageously, I don't think so कि कोई दिक्कत होनी चाहिए आपको कैमरा फेस करने में भी, because it is your personal and most bravest decision. But if I have to take you back to the childhood, your childhood where you were जब आप आर्यन थे, क्या childhood कैसा था आपका as a boy?
I mean, I wouldn't say I was the happiest, or I'd say I was just trying to survive instead of like living. And in short, that's how I would like to put it, like my childhood across from the age of 9 till like 20. So yeah, it was a very tough time for me because I was questioning everything within myself and then also playing cricket and coping with the exterior world. So it was a very confusing, very held back journey for me during that time.
तो जब आप 9 साल के थे तब से ही आपको थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आने लगा था कि मे बी दिस इज़ नॉट हु आई एम, मे बी दिस इज़ नॉट माई आइडेंटिटी. मतलब वो क्या एक साइंस थे.
हाँ.
बचपन में तो उतना नहीं नॉलेज होते या समझ आता है, बट व्हाट वर दो साइंस जो आपको बाद में रियलाइजेशन दिलाया है जिसने?
I mean, wearing my mom's clothes and like looking into the mirror and wishing that I was born a girl, I want to be a girl. Because whenever I saw in the mirror, I always saw a mismatch or I didn't recognize this person in the mirror. So like during that time as well, I thought कि I have this male body, so I'll try to be the best male version of me out there. But again, I did all of it. I had everything. I did everything, and again, I just wasn't fulfilled or like satisfied within myself.
मतलब मेरे दिमाग में ये सवाल आ रहा था कि 9-10 जो साल जो उम्र होती है वो बहुत कच्ची उम्र होती है. उस समय उस दौरान एक बच्चा अगर मानसिक या इमोशनल उससे गुजर रहा है, ट्रॉमा ही हो जाता है जब आपको समझ नहीं आता है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या चल रहा है मेरे साथ. उस टाइम पे क्या वो मानसिक थोड़ा सा तनाव था, मतलब एज अ चाइल्ड were you able to balance yourself out?
So there was never a balance for me. It was like one extreme to the other extremes. So I was just trying to thrive on extreme, and this external validation and approval जो लोग मतलब वाह वाह करते, मैं वही चेज़ कर रही थी इंस्टेड ऑफ खुद के अंदर जो मुझे राइट फील हो रहा था वो. क्योंकि अगर जब भी मैं वो अगर करूँ तो मैं बाहर पब्लिक में जाऊँ तो लोग मेरे पे हंसेंगे. तो मैं वही सोच के मैं वही ट्राई की कि जो बाहर के लोग सोचेंगे वैसे ही मैं जीऊँ.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, तो मतलब इट वाज मोर ऑफ कि सोसाइटल प्रेशर ज़्यादा था उस टाइम पे. एंड यू बीइंग अ किड, मेरे हिसाब से अनाया उस टाइम पे तो खुद का स्टैंड लेना ही समथिंग कि अब तो देखते हैं कि आपके पेरेंट्स उस समय मदद करे. बट देन उस टाइम पे कभी ऐसा हुआ था कि आपने कभी मम्मा के सामने ऐसा कभी बोला था कि आई वांट टू ड्रेस अप लाइक अ गर्ल? क्योंकि होता है बचपन में, अब हमेशा हम देखते हैं मम्मी खुद ही अपने बेटे को फ्रॉक पहना देती है, लिपस्टिक लगा देती है, काजल लगा देती है. सो वर देयर एनी मोमेंट जब आपने मम्मा या पापा के सामने ऐसा बोला हो कि मुझे फ्रॉक पहननी है या मेकअप करना है या कुछ करना है?
I wouldn't like to talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है. Moving forward, cricket plays a very important role in your life while you were growing up. क्या वो कुछ था 9-10 साल की उम्र में जब आप क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे थे, जब आप इससे भी जूझ रहे थे? मतलब what was that? Was cricket an escape?
Oh, definitely it was. It just wasn't the escape, it was also my passion. So I also found a reason to like let go of whatever I have or try to suppress myself and just give my all to cricket. Just like give everything, give every ounce of me, inch of me or soul of me, I would say.
But then जब आप 2 साल के या 5 साल के या 6 साल के थे, आपको तब से क्रिकेट खेलना था, आपको पता था, या जब आप थोड़े 10-11 साल के हुए तब आपको समझ आया?
नहीं, सिंस द एज ऑफ 3 मैं डैड के पेंटिंग्स या इमेजेस देखते थे वॉल पे, और वैसे मैं इंस्पायर हुई कि लाइक मुझे भी क्रिकेट खेलना है उनकी तरह, मुझे भी इंडिया के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करना है एक दिन. सो मैं और पापा साथ में प्रैक्टिस करते थे घर पे. मैंने बहुत ट्यूबलाइट भी फोड़ी है घर पे, बट हाँ लाइक वैसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते रहे हम. और एट द एज ऑफ 12 आई स्टार्टेड प्रोफेशनली ट्रेनिंग, and till then it was a good run for me. Like I played Mumbai under 16, Pondicherry under 19, and Mumbai under 23 trials. So it was going great for me, yeah. In terms of my cricketing career.
In terms of your cricketing career, it was going great. But then when you were reaching the adolescent part, where 18, at the age of 18 या 20,
yeah,
difficult हो गई थी और journey personally?
Yes, definitely. Like the feelings always persisted about me wanting to transition, but although I didn't have the words या emotions मेरे को जो थे मेरे को समझ नहीं थी उतनी, और education भी नहीं थी ताकि मैं किसी को जाके बोलूँ इस चीज़ के बारे में. जब लॉकडाउन हुआ तब मेरे पास खुद के लिए टाइम था वो सब प्रोसेस करने के लिए. और ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड एज वेल आई वाज इन थेरेपी एंड एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग.
Okay, yeah. But then when you were playing cricket, जब आप cricketing world में enter किए थे, everyone knew that you are the daughter. उस टाइम पे you were the son of संजय बांगर जी. So उस टाइम पे कभी ऐसा हुआ था that यहाँ बॉलीवुड में बहुत वो term exist करता है, that nepo kid. So were you termed as a nepo kid there as well?
Although no one said it out loud, but I could always feel it, because it's the way the people treat me and how they treat their peers. So it's like I never felt included with them, although because again they think that I come from a privileged background, so my life is set, so I don't have any problems. So I always felt excluded in that way. But besides that, yeah, I would say like I did come from privilege.
You accept that fact?
Yes.
But मन में तो ऐसा होगा ना कि now I have to prove.
Oh, definitely. Like I did have that pressure in me as well. I have to prove and go out and say, like, prove that I'm not here because of my surname or father's name. I'm here because of my own talent and own hard work.
Yeah.
Although the exposure is there, but again, the hard work and dedication, that's what people overlook. Because I've always been overshadowed by my father.
Yeah, that is the thing. But as Aryan, जब आर्यन टूर्स पे जाते थे अंडर 16 अंडर 19 खेल रहे थे, तब ऐसा होता है कि आप बहुत से ज़्यादा समय आप अपने टीममेट्स के साथ बिता रहे हो.
हाँ.
एक बॉन्डिंग बन जाती है, एक थोड़ी सी फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है, एक ट्रस्टवर्दी फैक्टर आ जाता है. उस टाइम पे जब आप जूझ रहे थे ये पर्सनालिटी या जेंडर वाले इससे, तो क्या आपने कभी कोशिश की कि आपके कोई टीममेट से वो शेयर करें?
मेरे अंदर like it was so inside me, like I was ashamed about it, so I never felt that safe or comfortable enough to come out to any of my teammates or friends, because again I would just be a laughing stock, and again coming from a well-known background, it would just spread all over the cricketing world. So I just never felt safe enough to do that.
That is the thing. But मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि आप पर्सनली इतना अंदर माइंड में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, झगड़ा चल रहा है, प्रोफेशनली यू हैव टू बी अराउंड पीपल जहाँ आपको सेफ फील नहीं हो रहा है, शायद बात बताने से भी आपको एक्सक्लूडेड फील हो रहा है. आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि उस टाइम पे आर्यन का मेंटल स्टेट कैसा होगा? क्या उस टाइम से ही आर्यन वाज a sort of going into depression because of all the things happening around him?
I would say that Aryan was always depressed and always in that insecure mindset where like it just wasn't clicking anything for that person back then. And after transitioning as well, I just don't recognize that person anymore. It's just I'm me and I'm a different person now compared to what I am.
Wow. आपने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था, उसमें आपने बोला था दैट हैरेसमेंट्स भी बहुत होती है when you're playing the under 19 under 16 with other people. When you came out, did you felt any sort of danger situation में कभी पहुँचे हो?
Well, under 16 under 19 again I didn't come out to anyone, so and I didn't face any harassment either. But yeah, it was again after I came out, the controversy that everyone knows about.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much that happened. And yeah, I mean,
वो जो आपने बात बताई थी, जो आपने खुलासा किया था that
Yes.
you've received nudes of cricketers, senior players, whatever was the controversy, उस बात के आउट होने के बाद what was the reaction of the same particular people? क्या उन्होंने फिर से मैसेज किया saying that oh please don't take my name or oh please ये बाहर बात मत करना?
no, there was nothing as such, like no message, nothing. And again, like publicly I would say like everyone was thinking that I'm trying to do a publicity stunt, which I don't see myself being that petty just to gain some attention. And I believe in just saying the truth regardless of whatever there is.
But when you were जब आप आर्यन थे and when you were just playing cricket, and I guess your cricketing career was going well.
Yes.
Right? You are left arm spinner and
Left hand batter.
Batter as well.
Yes.
Your cricketing career was going very well. Was Sanjay Bangar proud of you when you were pursuing cricket? How happy he was to see his son doing good and doing well professionally?
Yeah, I could see him be proud of me. I could see him like me and him always trained together. Whatever we did, we did together. Like he was always there for me in the cricketing aspect, I would say.
And personal, when that is your just thing to share or not, but then when did you decide to just come out to your parents? Or you never came out, you just...
No, I did come out to my parents in 2022.
Okay.
Yeah.
At here in Bombay?
While I was in UK.
Okay.
Doing my masters there.
Okay. What was their reaction? Were they baffled? Were they in shock? Or they were processing उस time पे?
I wouldn't like to talk about it.
Okay. Okay, that is fine. That is obviously it's very personal to her. But one thing which I can definitely say that your father must be really proud थोड़े टाइम में शायद, अभी भी मुझे नहीं पता, अगर नाराज़गी होगी भी तो मुझे शायद इतना पता है दैट कुछ टाइम बाद शायद वक्त के साथ सब ठीक हो जाता है, इज़ व्हाट आई नो, एंड आई गेस यू विल बी डेफिनेटली इन अ बेटर स्पेस, is what I hope and pray. Do you live with your parents
Yes.
now?
Yeah, I do.
Now they are okay with you. I mean, what is the situation like at home?
I mean,
It's normal.
they're still taking their time. I'm still living with them. So, yeah.
Okay. Cricket completely बंद हो गया है अब तो.
No, I'm still pursuing cricket, but while I was in UK, I dislocated my shoulder twice while
Okay.
playing. So I'm still recovering from that, and I do plan on playing again.
You've said that cricketing world is filled with toxic masculinity.
Yes.
When you were Aryan, you've experienced that. Can you talk us through the insecurities of politics which goes inside when you're pursuing domestic cricket or maybe the national level cricket?
I mean, I would just say like whatever controversies happened surrounding me were the prime examples of it. But again, politics and all, I'm not that aware because again, I was just focused on playing cricket. I never really was part of any conversations. Like I said, I was being excluded in most of them. So I don't have any stories as such to say.
But then what were those do you feel that एक ही टीम में बहुत सारी insecurities होती है between the players, पर वो दिखाते कुछ और है?
Yeah, definitely, because you have to stay that way, because at the end of the day, as long as you perform, then you're relevant regardless of whatever you do. So आपस में competition रहता है, या खुद में भी लोगों का competition रहता है कि like I want to do better, so selection होगा, and so on and so forth.
अच्छा, so मतलब it is a sort of healthy competition.
Yeah.
अच्छा, but then moving forward, मेरे दिमाग में एक बात आई that you've played under 16, you've played under 19, and then what was that moment? I want to take you to that moment जब आपने decide किया कि now Aryan needs to come out to the world as Anaya. आपके दिमाग में क्या strike हुआ that oh, this is the time for me to now just लोगों के सामने आइडेंटिटी रिवील करना?
Like, are you asking me when did I decide to transition or when I decided to come out?
Come out as in come out on social media.
Come out on social media.
Yeah.
Again, like I was in UK and I was just being let down by the exterior world and my opportunities and everything, just because I have decided to align my soul with my vessel. उसके बाद career में there's no place for me. There's no place for me in whatever I want to do, which I've always done, which was playing cricket. And having ADHD and learning disabilities, academics was never an option for me. So that's what basically led me to like just posting it out there and seeing how it goes. Like maybe get into the entertainment industry or whatever that is.
So now what are you planning to just look at it, like what is going to be your future? What do you see? If not cricket, then what?
I see myself in the entertainment industry doing something which I'm still open to, and I'm still exploring opportunities as of now, because एक ही month हुआ है मुझे आके यहाँ पे. So I'm still seeing how it goes.
आपने अभी ये पिछले वाला जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे उसमें आपने एक बात की कि क्रिकेटिंग ऑप्शंस बंद हो गए थे. आई रिमेंबर यू, आपने ही शायद अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे कहा था where your dad said that अब क्रिकेट में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ये जब बोला आपको, were you taken aback as a child, and as a child who had dreams to represent India?
Yes, I was definitely, because I didn't expect to hear that from him. I expected he'll support me in that aspect if he can, but yeah, that was very hurtful.
आप दोनों अभी बात करते हैं या?
Yeah, we talk.
You guys talk.
Yes.
आप कभी उनको बोलते हैं कि I wish to get back to cricket in any capacity? You guys discuss about cricket?
I mean, I've told him कि I do wish to get back in cricket.
So is he supportive of that?
Yeah, I'd say he's staying neutral.
He's still neutral.
Yeah.
But then अभी शायद इंग्लैंड क्रिकेट बोर्ड का डिसीजन आया है that trans women will not be allowed to play with girls and women. How do you look at that decision? Is it like fine with you, or there's some sort of biasness?
I think there's some sort of biasness, and again, like with the ban on trans women, it's like they're not understanding it on a case by case basis. It's like, I do agree that there are trans women who transition, hormone surgery karte hai, but they still have the male puberty ka advantage. But what about the ones who don't?
Okay.
If they fit into the female category levels, let's say highest power female, cisgender female athletes and the lowest power, and the transition woman who has gone through hormones or whatever there is, and then fits into those two margins, why can't she play? Why can't she have the opportunity to thrive? And this is all inclusive, fair and safety aspect ko consider karke. So that's what I don't understand. Instead of like blanket bans, we had case by case basis ke rules from ICC, but now there's nothing of that sort. It's like complete ban.
Yeah. So, but correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I just have this thought in my mind. I've read somewhere that trans women has more amount of estrogen than a normal women. Is it that case when you guys are just
depends on each person, and it's about the testosterone, if I may correct you.
Okay.
Because we are on testosterone suppressants blockers. My testosterone levels are again on the lowest part of a cisgender woman, which is 0.5 nanomoles, and it's been like that for 1 year 4 months now.
Okay.
So during that time as well, you go through these drastic changes which you never have before. Like when I was actually going through these changes, I was actually understanding how the women's sport even functions or plays. Like the way they play the shots, what their body reacts to it. I was feeling the same things. I was going through the same things as a transitioning person at that time.
Yeah. But when you were transitioning, when you just जब आपने अपने दोस्तों को बताया ये बात, were they very supportive, were they dicey, or they just left you?
I mean, the closest of my friends are still supportive to this day, and there have been a few close ones who I'm really grateful for their presence in my life. But yeah, in the cricketing world, like ever since like people found out about me, people have changed, people have distanced themselves, they have stopped talking to me. Like my old school friends, they also don't talk to me anymore, who I've played cricket with, like from age group to like school cricket to everything. So yeah, only a very few, like 3-4 chosen ones are very close.
Can you name somebody from the cricketing fraternity is very good to you, still talks?
Sarfaraz, Mushir.
Yeah, Sarfaraz, you went recently to meet his family.
Yes.
What was that experience? Itne saal baad milna, to be a different person around him. What was his words to you?
The best thing about it was nothing changed between us, regardless of me transitioning or not. And the way they treated me, the way they spoke to me, it was all the same as it used to be. And that's what I always missed. And having that, it just made me feel so much nice, so much happy that someone from the cricketing world is at least there for me, even if not from the system or anyone else.
Yeah.
It's the people who have played with, grew up with, are actually like with me now.
Just supporting you.
Just supporting me.
And just letting you be the way you are.
Yes.
And just accepting.
Yeah.
I guess acceptance is something which is very important. जो शायद कई लोगों में थोड़ी देर से आती है. But when I saw the videos and photos of you and Sarfaraz, I was really happy because Sarfaraz also has come a long way. उनकी भी journey बहुत inspiring रही है. Now when you look at his journey, his dad was present when he did the test debut, I guess. You must be aware about the video, everything which went out. How happy do you feel just by looking at his journey, his cricketing journey?
I mean, it's so well deserved. I mean, and I'm genuinely happy for them. Like when I'd also gone there to meet them, I was telling like Naushad uncle ki I'm so happy for you ki like I've seen them struggle, I've seen them play and grind and practice every day on the cricket field, and now finally their son is playing for the Indian team. So I was just like genuinely happy for them.
That is, I guess it is the most beautiful feeling जब आपके ही friends group जो बचपन से आपके साथ में है, them doing something really good in their life. जो बोला था वो किया.
There was no internal competition among us. It was just an open field, like एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करे टू डू देयर बेस्ट।
कोई ऐसा क्रिकेटिंग फ्रेंड जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था दैट विल जो आपको समझेगा, बट देन वाज लाइक अ नाइटमेयर फॉर यू, टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ नाइटमेयर फॉर यू?
I mean, again, I wouldn't like to take names, but there have been plenty amount of people like that.
एनी इंसिडेंट जो नाइटमेयर के तरफ से मतलब ऐसा हो गया था दैट व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड?
It was over the guy asking me for the photo while I was padded up and about to go to Pat in UK. I expected that person to understand and like support, but that person ended up doing that to me.
Photo as in like,
He wanted a nude photo of me.
okay.
Yes.
What was your reaction? Did you ignore or you just said
I was
something?
just taken aback and I was just trying to focus on batting. And after the match, I ended up going to the club and complaining about him.
Then something happened? Any
Yeah,
action?
they took action, and since then, like,
Was from our Indian fraternity?
no, it was just this was a local cricketer from UK.
Okay,
this
okay.
instance.
That happened.
Yeah.
That incident happened. You've mentioned that you wanted to be in good books.
Yeah.
Why so? Because you being now a woman knows how difficult, आप अभी realize कर रहे होंगे that how difficult it is for us to survive,
Yes.
for us to just go out there and pursue जो हमें चाहिए. बेसिक से बेसिक चीज़ों के लिए शायद जूझना पड़ता है, लड़ना पड़ता है. But then when you say that I still want to be in good books by not calling out people, do you think you are doing wrong somewhere?
Again, like, I'm considering every angle in this. It's just not my story. So I just want to put it to that.
Okay, so you are considering every aspect
Yes.
of the story, even that person जिसने आपके साथ गलत भी किया हो या कोई बर्ताव किया हो.
Yes.
Okay, okay. When all this, when you came out and when you said that there were friends of you, जब आपने उनको बताया जो भी reality थी, they literally sent you nude photos. They were your friends or just somebody who you
No.
randomly know?
Just a random well-known cricketer.
Well known. So
Yeah.
From India?
From India. Yeah. This.
Is he still playing?
Yes.
He's still playing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. कभी बात हुई उसके बाद मैसेज पे या उसके?
I never even spoke to this guy in person ever before.
So it was so random.
Yeah.
It was that random.
We just said hi, hello on this texting platform, and after a few days, this happened.
My God. कभी face to face मुलाकात हो पाई उसके बाद?
No.
What would have been your reaction? Were you baffled उस time पे कि what is that person doing?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, like, the way he's doing it as well, like, who does this? And like, he's doing to someone who has just gone viral. So, like, has he not thought about the repercussions of doing this to me?
Exactly.
So, yeah.
I mean, I would have loved it if you would have just called out that person, but then again, considering every factor,
Yeah.
even his story, even his thing, I mean, I still feel that you should call that person out for doing wrong to you. Because I guess it's not just with you, Anaya, it's with every girl out there. लड़कों को शायद ऐसा लगता है that it's very easy for them. फोटोज भेज देना, फोटो मांग लेना, कॉन्वर्जेशन में स्लाइड इन कर लेना. क्या अब when you've come out as Anaya,
Yeah.
बॉयज़ अटेंशन इंक्रीज हो गई है, गर्ल्स अटेंशन की क्या बात है? मतलब व्हाट इज़ इट फॉर बीइंग फॉर ट्रांस वुमेन के लिए क्या होता है? इज़ इट लाइक गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टू बॉयज़ मोर, गर्ल्स मोर, लाइक व्हाट इट इज़? इफ यू कैन जस्ट shred the light on that part.
So it depends on each person. For me personally, I was more attracted towards girls, although there were some guys that I was attracted to before transitioning.
Before transitioning you were
Yes.
attracted to guys, okay, fine.
But as I was going through hormone therapy, like, my whole mental chemistry, body chemistry, everything was changing. So I started feeling more attracted towards guys, and now I'm just like not attracted towards women at all.
So you are now attracted towards guys.
Yes.
And not women.
Yeah.
So that is the most simplest answer she can just
Yes.
give. So are you enjoying now the guys' attention? What is it like? Is it bad or is it good now after you came out? What it is?
I mean, it's been good, it's been bad. Like, bad because since I've come to India, it's like the menu stares so much. Like, compared to living in UK and compared to living here, it's a very different world. Because, I mean, it's just their eyes on you, like, it feels creepy.
Do you feel uncomfortable?
Yes.
Just moving around in public?
Yeah.
Every girl can relate to that. But then I feel that Bombay, I'm not sure आप कितना बाहर घूमे हो, but Bombay ऐसे इसमें comparatively is the most
Yes,
safest.
when I was in Delhi, it was really bad. Like, I wouldn't want to go out in public by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels uncomfortable,
Yes.
very uncomfortable. I can relate to that part. But Bombay, I feel, is the safest,
Yes.
I guess, place to be in. But moving forward, also एक चीज़ मुझे पूछनी थी. You've said that there was a senior cricketer who just randomly came to you and said that let's go to the car. वो जो incident हुआ था, can you just let us know what exactly happened?
I mean, whatever I said that day on camera, it was much worse than that.
What it was? I want the real story, if you can, please.
The thing is, the things that he said to me, I can't say that on camera. It's that bad.
Maybe we can mute that.
I just wouldn't like to talk about it.
Maybe ऊपर से बता दो क्या what exactly it was.
I mean, I came out to him and then he was just trying to whisper some things in my ear, some bad things. And some very creepy, scary things.
Bad things as in?
I don't want to get into the details.
He wanted to sleep with you?
Yes.
So he just offered you to just come in?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your reaction then?
I was scared. Like, even though this happened in public.
You were what age?
I was 22 and I didn't start hormones at that time. And that's when this happened, and this happened in a public area, and I just wanted to get out of there as soon as I could.
That's very scary.
Yes, it was.
I don't know. I can just imagine and just I cannot feel what obviously you felt at that point of time. उसके बाद where did you go? You went back to home, or what was the situation like?
I went back home after that. I was driving back home, and yeah, I called that same friend from UK, and that friend started abusing me.
Why?
On call, just saying slurs against trans people and all.
You shared this incident with somebody else?
Yes,
from your friend?
I did, and they were supportive. They were basically looking out after me. But yeah, that same guy again, the one from UK, he was doing the same thing, and I was also in this toxic cycle between him, hoping that he'll understand and come around, but it just kept on getting worse.
I mean, I feel really sad.
Yeah.
Of that part. That's the most scariest. But डरावनी चीज़ किसी भी इंसान के साथ, regardless of the gender, forget about gender, क्या लड़का क्या लड़की, किसी के भी साथ हो रहा है, it's the most, बहुत डरावनी चीज़ है ये. मेरे दिमाग में बस ये आ रहा है that you are the most strong and courageous person I've met.
To be honest, I don't relate to that at all. I'm just another person living a normal life in this world. I don't see myself as being a strong or courageous person. I just see myself being myself.
Because there are a lot of people जो शायद बहुत reasons की वजह से अपने आप को अंदर दबाए रखे हैं.
हाँ.
उस वजह से मैं आपको strong बोल रही हूँ, उस वजह से मैं आपको courageous बोल रही हूँ. सब में नहीं होती है अनाया हिम्मत, सब में नहीं होती है. शायद इंसान अपनी ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही काट लेता है. But then, how proud are you of yourself?
I am quite proud because whatever I've done till now, it's been with my own hand on my back, and still, like, I wouldn't take this away, even if I have to go through these same things multiple amount of times.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just moved by this conversation. Trust me, just this आई गेस आपके जितना करेज अगर 10% भी किसी में आ गया ना, इट वुड बी अ वेरी बेटर प्लेस टू लिव इन. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, थोड़ा सा हम क्रिकेट के बारे में डिस्कस कर ले. तो मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगी, अभी फ़िलहाल जो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम है उसमें से हुज योर फेवरेट प्लेयर?
फेवरेट प्लेयर आज से विराट कोहली, अभिषेक शर्मा, जायसवाल.
Jaiswal is your friend. I mean, you guys played together, I remember.
we played together, but we haven't been speaking as much. It's not because of me transitioning or anything. It's just our paths are different now.
Yeah, so your paths are different. Have you ever tried talking to him or something?
No, nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
No.
Okay. ठीक है, but your favorite is Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Mine is also he is an inspiration to many people out there.
Yeah.
While you were growing up, was he your idol there उस time पे भी?
Like I never really had idols. I looked up to people with their mindset, and it's like I was my own idol. I believed in myself.
Yeah.
And whatever I could learn from the great players, I did.
So विराट से क्या इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं आप अभी भी?
I mean, it's his fearlessness and that, that drive in him that he still has to this day, no matter what he has achieved.
Yeah. कभी मिले हो आप उनसे?
Yeah, I have met him multiple amount of times. I've trained with him.
Wow.
With me, my dad, and him. So we have trained together. He has given me a few tips. He has seen me bad. I've seen him bad up close. So.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
मतलब how is it training with him so personally and closely? Not many people get that chance.
Yes.
And you know वो एक अलग ही you feel fortunate enough to just be around him. कुछ दो advice भी मिल जाती है ना cricketers को, तो ऐसा लगता है that oh they are doing something good in their career.
Yeah.
कोई ऐसा training session या कोई ऐसी बात विराट की जो आपके जहन में बैठ गई थी उस टाइम पे कि oh
I think once he had mentioned कि I was asking him how does he handle pressure on that level. So he said कि he has practiced up to that extent where he knows his strengths and he backs his own strengths. So he knows what he can do on the field and he just believes that and he doesn't see कि इसके बाद क्या होगा. You just know yourself. Once you know yourself and know your game, everything else follows.
And yeah. I guess उनके साथ ट्रेनिंग करके तो I guess I am just मैं बस वो सोच रही हूँ that how fortunate will be the feeling. आपको उस टाइम पे realize हुआ था ओह मैं विराट कोहली के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ?
Yeah, although I did understand that privilege that I was coming from, but also I kept myself grounded throughout because I'm just here to learn from him and I'm trying to make the most out of my resources.
Is he a funny person when he's practicing or something, or is he very serious and disciplined out there?
No, he is funny. He has his moments, but again when he has to turn up, he is turned up.
IPL चल रहा है. IPL में कौन सी फेवरेट टीम है आपकी? देखते हैं आप IPL?
IPL not as much anymore, but I used to support the teams whatever my dad used to be with.
Coach with.
Yes.
So if I have to tell you, Sanjay Bangar as a cricketer और Sanjay Bangar as a coach, आपके लिए क्या फेवरेट थे? आपने तो दोनों अवतार में देखा है उनको.
I've seen him as a player when I was very young, so I don't really remember. But I would say both. I can't really pick उसमें.
Obviously. But अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ अनाया, क्या लग रहा है? Will you be back into cricket?
I don't know, but I'm going to try my best to come back into it.
Okay. हम segments की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. There are 2 segments.
Yeah.
One is what the comments. जनता के 2 सवाल है, जवाब दे दीजिएगा. So are you ready?
Yes.
So what the comments. First one is God created 2 gender, a man and a woman. Anaya is possessed.
I mean, gender is a spectrum and a societal thing that's been brought up. Because there are intersex people as well. It's just not man and woman. And just because there are less intersex people in this world doesn't mean that there are just men and women and there are these defects.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as that.
How do you take trolling? जब लोग troll करते हैं, I've seen your comment section.
Yeah.
Does this affect you mentally?
No, I'm entertained by it. Say more. Because I know that what mindset I am and what life and my experiences have been. So let them come and say whatever they have to. I'm just enjoying it. I know where they come from and bless them all.
I guess this is when you're spiritual.
Yeah.
शायद ये mindset आने लगता है. Are you
हाँ.
a very spiritual person?
I would say I am, but I've had spiritual awakenings where I've grown as a person, like I've changed as a person throughout like a few nights. And again, that spirituality comes from within. It's not I'm trying to seek anything exterior.
Yeah.
It just happened within myself, and I'm just glad that I'm at this point now.
But when I talk about your friend circle or friendships, when you're with girls, when you're with
Yes.
guys, now when you've come out, are they like India mein, are they comfortable yeah, what is the exact scenario?
The friends that I'm around have always made me feel comfortable. They don't seem that they're awkward or anything around me. So yeah,
That is the case.
Yeah.
The second comment is men's team में chance नहीं मिला तो लड़की बन गए.
I mean, मैं अगर transition नहीं करती तो wouldn't it have been easier for me to play? I'm just trying to live my life authentically, and cricket and career जो भी है वो secondary है. First आपका foundation ही set ना हो, आप जाके exterior world में try to cope करो, but it doesn't work out. Like internally I wasn't happy, that's why I transitioned. I haven't transitioned to get exterior happiness. That's what I did in my previous thing.
Yeah. So yeah, I've seen a lot of comments, people saying that men's cricket में नहीं मिला. So and I just sometimes feel that ये सब कौन से mindset से आते, क्या सोचते हैं, that such a big decision to change your body.
I think it comes from the guys thinking ki like they'll just dominate easily when they play against girls. So this is a cheap trick to do, cheap way to get into that.
Male ego is worst. What do you
Yeah.
think?
Definitely.
Do you feel like crushing male ego sometimes by your words or something? Or have you?
Not really. Like again, like I try to just be in my own lane and let them figure out in whatever way they have to, because everyone has their own path, own journey. So it depends.
Such a spiritual answer, guys. No, this comes with a lot of, I guess, when you've seen life, when life happens to you, you know how to react. And I guess life happened to you in the most terror way, at the same time in the most beautiful way.
Yes.
I guess terror when you were Aryan, and beautiful when you are Anaya.
And I would say when Aryan faced interior terror, Anaya is facing exterior terror.
That's really a very moving line which you connected. The next segment is hashtag show. I'll take names, whatever comes to your mind first. You have to give the hashtags. Okay? Are you ready?
So hashtag like
Whatever hashtag.
yeah.
A hashtag for Sarfaraz.
Friend.
Yashasvi.
Friend.
Not the same hashtag. Shubman Gill.
Cricketer.
Mithali Raj.
Bharatnatyam.
Jasprit Bumrah.
Different action.
Virat Kohli.
Aggressive.
Rohit Sharma.
Chill guy.
He retired from Test yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you think he should have played one more England series and then took?
That's not for me to decide.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
Pallu's like scoop shot or whatever.
Ishan Kishan.
Under 19 World Cup.
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar. I think he's the all-rounder. Right? All-rounder. Yeah.
Okay. Sanjay Bangar ji.
Father.
To your mama.
My mom. I don't know what to say.
Okay. To Aryan.
Who is he?
Anaya.
That's me.
Yay! Such a beautiful answer. इतना आपने बहुत सारी आंसर्स ऐसे दिए हैं which has moved me personally. Trust me. The way you connected when I ended the sentence और जब आपने उस चीज़ को connect किया है. Such a fruitful conversation this is. And such an शायद मेरे लिए भी it is a sort of awakening sort of conversation हो रही है where I am also getting to learn a lot about the hormones. शायद
Yes.
I was mistaken by the estrogen and testosterone parts.
Yeah.
अब मुझे पता चला, oh, this is the exact thing, and I guess this education is also something which is very important. लोग शायद बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं ये सब चीज़ का, हिजड़ा बोल देते हैं, छक्का बोल देते हैं, कुछ भी टर्म करते हैं. एक अगर ऐसा मैसेज देना चाहे आप जनता को, to not to use such terms but respect everyone out there, what would that one message be?
Again, like, just treat us as equal human beings, because we have our own journeys and own stories and own experiences. Just because आपसे वो experiences align नहीं हो रहे, that doesn't mean कि हम invalidated है. जो भी हम चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं वो सब valid है, और वो उनके लिए भी जगह होनी चाहिए, regardless of what you think or not. Because just cause mass media है, mass लोग हैं जो एक तरह से सोचते हैं, उनके लिए सब system set है, हमारे लिए नहीं है वैसे. And just cause हमारे लिए नहीं है doesn't mean that we can be sidelined or looked down upon.
It's still a long journey, I guess,
Definitely.
to fight
Yeah.
for. But then thank you so much, अनाया, फिल्मी ज्ञान पे आने के लिए, हमसे बात करने के लिए, आर्यन से अनाया वाली जर्नी पे डिस्कस करने के लिए. कैसा लगा हमसे बात करके सबसे पहले तो?
Really good. Like, it just feels good to have genuine conversations with people. So I'm glad.
And we are glad to just have you here. अपना वक्त निकाला आपने, या back in Bombay. We wish to see more of you now. We wish to see more of you in cricket as well. Hopefully something happens.
Yeah.
And then maybe I'm meeting Anaya as a cricketing player and interviewing you
Probably.
soon. You never know.
Never know.
Thank you so much for being here. All the best.
Thank you so much.